Phosphorus, the most important mineral in the body. Phosphorus is a water-soluble mineral that makes up 1% of a person's total body weight. It is present in every cell of the body and is mostly found in bones and teeth. Phosphorus has several different important functions. First of all, and maybe most importantly, phosphorus is used adjunctively with calcium to form healthy bones and teeth. Another important function of phosphorus is the production of energy. Phosphorus is commonly found in the body as phosphate. Phosphates play an important role in energy production as components of ATP. ATP is readily used to fuel your body's main functions. Structurally, ATP consists of an adenosine, which is an organic compound, 3 phosphate molecules. When the bonding between one phosphate and adenosine has occurred, energy is released, which then fires cellular activity. Phosphorus is also useful in protein synthesis. Phosphorus is a component of DNA and RNA. Synthesis begins in the cell nucleus, where a portion of DNA serves as a template for RNA. RNA then carries specific coding instructions for building needed body proteins to the ribosomes, where proteins are assembled from amino acids. Without sufficient phosphorus, body protein manufacture is impaired, which eventually affects overall health. The RDA recommended daily amount for most adults is 700 milligrams per day. Children between the ages of 9 and 18 need 1,250 milligrams per day because bone development and formation is rapid at this stage of life. Younger children need lower levels of phosphorus. Babies 0 to 6 months old need 100 milligrams per day. Babies 7 to 12 months old need 275 milligrams a day. Children between the ages of 1 and 3 need 460 milligrams per day, while children between the ages of 4 and 8 need about 500 milligrams per day. Phosphorus deficiencies, which are rare because it is readily available in many foods, can be characterized by bone diseases such as rickets in children, osteomalacia in adults, and improper balance of phosphorus and calcium could also cause osteoporosis. On the other hand, ingesting over 4,000 milligrams from both food and supplements combined could cause accumulation of calcium deposits in your soft tissues, especially the kidneys. As the calcification continues, the kidneys may be damaged permanently. Like I said earlier, phosphorus is found in abundance of food, but I'll go over some of the most abundant. First of all, the number one would be seeds, such as pumpkin seeds. In 1 cup of pumpkin seeds, there's over 1,500 milligrams of phosphorus. Some other seeds high in phosphorus would be sunflower seeds, chia seeds, sesame seeds, watermelon seeds, and flax seeds. Second food choice would be cheese. In 1 package containing 142 grams of Romano cheese, there's over 1,000 milligrams of phosphorus. Other cheeses high in phosphorus would be Parmesan, goat cheese, mozzarella, Swiss, Gouda, and cream cheese. Third most abundant food source would be fish. In 1/2 fillet of salmon, there's 570 milligrams of phosphorus. Some other fishes could be American shad, whitefish and cod, tuna. Fourth most abundant food would be shellfish. In 3 ounces of scallops, there's 400 milligrams of phosphorus. Other shellfish would be clams, shrimp, mussels, crab, also very high in phosphorus. Number 5 would be nuts. In 1 cup of almonds, there's almost 1,000 milligrams of phosphorus. Also, there could be cashews and pistachios, pine nuts. Number 6 would be pork. In 1 roast, there's 2,000 milligrams of phosphorus. Number 7 would be beef and veal. In 1 piece of veal, about 280 grams, there's 809 milligrams of phosphorus. Then there's low-fat dairy. 1 cup of dairy has 400 milligrams of phosphorus. In tofu, 3 ounces, there's 250 milligrams of phosphorus. And then number 10 would be beans and lentils. 1 cup can contain about 400 milligrams of phosphorus. Some interesting facts on phosphorus are it is a part of DNA, RNA, ATP, and cell membranes, making it basically a part of every ounce of who we are. Another thing I thought was interesting about it is spontaneously combustible in air. And another thing I thought was interesting is phosphorus is not available in nature on its own, but is found in many minerals. And of course, I couldn't forget this phosphorus joke. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me now.